Hey, g'day, it's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I'm a professional tiler and I have been for the past 35 years. I'm doing another bathroom here and I've done the waterproofing yesterday. This morning I've just put a third coat on in the shower, which acts as my slurry. So I'm just about to throw some mud in and I'll be getting all my levels, and I lay the tiles as well at the same time. So belt yourself in, we're off for a ride. Lean in, get a closer look what's happening, and we're off. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. You'll always be notified then when I bring out another video. I'm laying my mud. Did I say that I've done a third coat? That's my slurry, yep. I'm doing around the perimeter at the moment. To get it all level, I've set that floor waste at about the right height. See the bubble? I'll be lifting it a little bit because that's I reckon too much fall. My lines always go to the waist, so you've always got beautiful fall and no split tiles. Alright, we'll see you soon. Hey yo, it's Chris O. Right, so we're screeding the shower base at the moment. DIYs, you don't go from corner to corner, you go from the center of your waist. Professionals, give it a go, you will surprise yourself. Anyone that goes from corner to corner like that, you got to change your ways. Give it a go. Go to the middle like so. You will be surprised. You will be surprised how your fall comes out. There's heaps of fall on that. So I will be lifting it up a tad, a little bit. By the time the thickness of my tile is there, it'll be bang on. Go into the center of the waist, not going from corner to corner. See that fall? If you go corner to corner, you get hollow spots in your tile. When you go to the middle, like I'm doing now, it's a flat surface. This is all for your large format tile. 6x6 tiles are going in here. If I went corner to corner, I would have a hollow spot. I'll come back to you shortly. See ya, bye.